Hot trimming, the removal of flash or excess metal from a hot part such as a forging in a trimming press is known as hot trimming. Hot upset forging, a bulk forming process for enlarging and reshaping some of the cross-sectional area of a bar, cube or other uniform, usually round section product form. It is accomplished by holding the heated forging stock between grooved dies and applying pressure to the end of the stock in the direction of its axis by using a heading tool, which spreads upsets the end by metal displacement. This is also called as hot heading or hot upsetting.